to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a horse-themed cake. Now, this is just something that came into my head, and so I decided to put it on a sheet cake. Let's get started. I placed a sheet cake dummy on a rectangular cake board. I frosted it with vegan American buttercream. I'm experimenting with using 2 cameras to get 2 different angles. Let me know what you think in the comments. Then I rolled out some brown fondant and I had printed out this picture of a horse. I cut around the printout and placed it on the cake. Then I rolled a log of brown fondant and twisted it into a rope, and I laid it across 2 edges of the cake. Then I rolled out some red fondant and used this leaf color and made some fall leaves. I placed the leaves on the side of the cake and covering the edge of the horse cut out. Then I made some more out of orange. Then some more out of yellow. And a bit more red. Then I made some gray fondant. I rolled it out and cut out a bunch of circles. Then I made some rings by cutting out smaller circles out of the middle. I cut a piece out of each one. Then I put some circles in by pressing a round piping tip to make them, and presto, horseshoes! Then I painted the horse with ivory and brown food coloring. And now that the horse has some shading, I think it looks great. I love the horse, the horseshoes, the fall leaves. It's very nostalgic and rustic. So pretty. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakerin.germany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Join our Patreon if you want to support the channel. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.